I feel so nervous. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Sanay naman ako magsalita, pero every time that I stand in front, I feel nervous. I'm scared. You know why? Baka ma-miss ko yung gusto ng Panginoon. Sabi po dyan, the healing at the pool. Sometime later, Jesus went up to Jerusalem for one of this Jewish festival. Now there is in Jerusalem near the Sheep Gate a pool, which in Aramaic is called Bethesda, which is surrounded by 5 covered colonnades, a great number of disabled people used to lie. Wala silang ginawa doon kundi mag-abang, humiga. Disabled people. Sino ba po disabled ngayon? Umagang ito. Meron ba? The blind, lame men, paralyzed, one who was there had been invalid for 38 years. Ako kung anong ginagawa ng tao na yan talaga. 38 years siyang nandun. Wow. Nauwi pa ba to? Sino kaya naghahatid sa kanya doon? For 38 years, nandun siya. Hindi siya makagalaw. When Jesus saw him lying there and learned that he had been in this condition for a long time, he asked him, "Do you want to get well?" "Sir," the invalid replied, "I have no one to help me into the pool when the water is stirred. While I'm trying to get in, someone else goes down ahead of me." Then Jesus said to him, "Get up, pick up your mat and walk." And once the man was cured, he picked up his mat and walked. The day on which they took place was Sabbath. And so the Jewish leaders said to the man who had been healed, "In the Sabbath, the law forbids you to carry your mat." But he replied, "Man, the man who had me well said to me, 'Pick up your mat and walk.'" So they asked him, "Who is this fellow who told you to pick up and walk?" The man who was healed had no idea who he was, for Jesus had slipped away into the crowd and that was there. Later, Jesus found him at the temple and said to him, "See, you are well again. Stop sinning, or something worse may happen to you." The man went away and told the Jewish leaders that it was Jesus who had made him well. Wow. Diba? So, napakaganda ng istorya na ito na noon, ang akala nila, lalo na itong 38 years old na lame man, habang buhay na siya doon. Sabi doon, the pool, on the pool, ang tawag ng Aramaic dyan, ay Bethesda, on which, ito po yung ginagawa ng pool na ito. Every, maybe yearly or once in a blue moon, talagang may bumababang anghel doon. At kakalawkawin lang yung tubig. Imagine mo, kakalawkawin. And then when the water is stirred, magdadalian na. Ang dami. Sabi, ang lahat ng nakapaligid doon sa gate, sa pool, mga lame, mga may problema, disabled, invalid, sabi ng Biblia. Sabi niya, paano ako makakatayo? Yun yung sagot niya, no? Sabi niya, "Do you want to get well?"